Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to make this yummiest finger licking bhajia. So let's get started. So guys, to make your bhajias you are going to need some potatoes. So I'm just going to peel them and then wash them. After peeling and washing my potatoes, next I'm going to cut them into cubes, into bigger cubes. Next, I'm going to put them into my cooking pot and then bring them to boil. So I'm going to add some water inside, then some garlic, salt and rosemary to spice it up a little bit. So here you have to make sure that the potatoes does not overcook. You need to be keen here. If you leave them to overcook, they will become mushy. You just need to shallow boil them. So my potatoes are ready. As you can see, I'm just going to drain the water now. So next I'm going to make the paste. For the paste I'm going to use all-purpose flour, some water, then I'm going to mix it. Next I'm going to add food color. In my case here I'm using egg yellow food color. Then mix it very well. And then I'm going to add some chopped onions, some mixed spices to spice it up, and lastly coriander, then a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to mix everything until they are well combined. Next, I'm going to add my potatoes into the paste, and then I'm going to give them a mix. I'm going to mix them until everything is well combined, until the potatoes are well combined with the paste. In the meantime, I'm already preheating my oil as I mix the potatoes with the paste. My oil is already preheated, so I'm going to start frying my bhajias, my viazi karai. My viazi karai are ready, and I can tell you guys, they are really yummy. So guys, here you can just pair them with some salad or kachumbari. So that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So see you in the next one. Bye.